A dash of flavor. Unpacking the phrase, a dash of pepper. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, a dash of pepper. This phrase is not just about cooking, but it's also a great example of how English uses specific words to convey precise meanings. Let's dive in and add some flavor to our English vocabulary. A dash of pepper might sound simple, but there's more to it. The word dash here is key. In cooking, a dash refers to a small, quick addition of an ingredient, usually a liquid or a spice. It's not a precise measurement but rather a quick, small sprinkle or pour. The word dash can also imply a sense of casualness or speed in the action. Understanding phrases like a dash of pepper requires considering the context. In a recipe, it tells us about the quantity and approach to adding pepper. In everyday conversation, someone might use it metaphorically. For example, adding a dash of humor means incorporating a small, yet noticeable amount of humor into a conversation or situation. The context determines whether the phrase is literal or figurative. This phrase also gives us insight into English-speaking cultures, especially in cooking. English often uses specific words for actions or quantities in cooking, like pinch, splash, or heap. These terms reflect a culture that values both precision and a homely, intuitive approach to cooking. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, a dash of pepper. It's a great example of how English can be both precise and playful. Remember, learning a language is like adding spices to a dish. A little bit at a time makes a big difference. Happy learning and see you in the next video.